How to find people near your location. Are guys facing issue to find your people near your location? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To find people near your location, first of all, open the Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. Make sure location service are enabled so the app can detect your area. If you don't know how to enable location service, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, on the home screen, tap nearby or people near, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on near you section. After you click on it, tap on continue. After you click on continue, allow the location service. Once you click on allow, you can filter people by age, gender, or interest to find people that matches your preferences. Scroll through the list to see their profiles and photos. Tap on the profile view more details or start a chat if you are interested. Remember to be polite and respectful when reaching out. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna find people near you on Scout. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.